to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, greetings from Housthetic again. We're going to dive into farmhouse charm today and look at some amazing design ideas that will give your property a rustic feel. Now let's get started. Distressed candle stands with butcher block table. Consider a farmhouse living room that is neutral and furnished with a butcher block table and distressed candle stands. The striped textiles and jute carpeting add to the laid-back, bucolic ambience. A cluster of country store decor. Consider the possibility of transforming a little space into the atmosphere of a country store. A watering can, a scale, a clock, and chicken wire combine to bring a little bit of the outside in. Raw cotton and an inspiring sign. With pewter accents, cotton stalks, and pallet wood, discover the ultimate in rustic beauty. This rustic tablescape is given new life by a watering pot that has been turned into a vase. Mid-century industrial meets farmhouse chic. Observe how a dining room's wooden table, iron chandelier, metal chairs, and wicker captain's chairs all perfectly blend industrial and farmhouse style. The ensemble is finished with white drapes and a large clock. Numerous ways to say hi. Enter a large, light-filled foyer with wooden floors and a mirror that gives the impression of more room. Topiaries provide a splash of green life as you welcome visitors with a blend of Southern and international hello messages. A fanciful wire tidbit tray. This whimsical tiered tower, adorned with painted pumpkins and green plants, will elevate any surface. There's a nice contrast between the rustic metal and the red brick wall. A wreath, a mirror, and a window. Adopt the traditional farmhouse decor of using window panes as decorations. A visually arresting combination is produced by a weathered white frame, a dark wood mantel, and a green leafy wreath. Discover the practical and aesthetic appeal of sliding barn doors with stained wood trim and iron accents. Is one of the farmhouse furniture and decor ideas for doors. The glass's speckled appearance increases seclusion while allowing natural light to flow through. Reproposed galvanized steel light fixture. Appreciate the charm of these mismatched pendant lights made of galvanized steel that are set atop reclaimed wood in this kitchen fixture. This fixture gives a crisp white area, a hint of nostalgia and whimsicality. Brighten dark spaces with hanging lantern votives suspended from a ceiling or wall sconces. is a clever way to achieve sweet sophistication with hanging lantern votives. It's a lovely touch to a dining area, whether you use votive candles for a romantic glow or LED candles for a kid-friendly choice. Enter a farmhouse kitchen featuring a white sink that is tastefully combined with an antique water pump faucet, according to schoolhouse lighting. The watering can serve as a vase, and the area is given an industrial yet historic feel by the schoolhouse-style lighting fixtures. The coziest chair in the house. Consider the ideal nook, complete with a warm wrap, a plush chair, and a pillow, a place to curl up with a nice book. The calming ambience is finished with a rustic coffee table, an outlet for convenience, and patterned duck fabric curtains to control natural light. Blended stains and basic accents. Consider it a dining room with a two-tone farmhouse table acting as the main attraction. The dining area is beautifully completed by the combination of dark wood and gray finished floors, as well as another window adorned with a wreath and a lantern pendant. Crate expectations with kitchen primitives. Utensil-filled crates evocative of a grandmother's counter will add a nostalgic touch to your kitchen. Rolling pins and whisks evoke tales of bygone eras, yet contemporary counters and fresh flowers unite the two. A novel take on flower arrangements. A tobacco basket on a distressed coffee table offers a novel twist on decor. It offers the ideal location for vibrant foliage and painted pumpkins, contrasting beautifully with the velvety white floor and deep seats. Please remember to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up if you like these ideas and would like to see more farmhouse decor. Happy decorating!